Just look at you. Look at both of you. Reduced to nothing. You brought so much havoc upon a promising kingdom. Why? Huh?
I said move. Go and get your partner. Yeah. Will you sit down? Have your seat.
What were you thinking? You brought so much havoc upon a promising kingdom. All for what? Your quest for power. You thought you could manipulate everything and control everybody. See where you are now. I promise you, you will pay for your atrocities. 3 of you.
Please, please. We are sorry for everything we did in this kingdom, and we have changed. We promise to toe the path of righteousness. Going forward, we swear to your allegiance and to your throne. Please give us a second chance, please.
Yes. We promise to change. I mean, we'll begin to do things right. Please. We have changed. We have changed after all. Please, let us serve under you. Please.
You cannot serve under me. That will never happen. People like you do not serve under me. The kingdom is better off without people like you walking freely. You have proven that you only care about yourselves and your ambition. Take them away.
Well, move!
But you are royalty, so you cannot
You are not royalty. Shut up! You are not royalty. You are imposters, 2 of you. And that's one of the many crimes you will answer for. Move them away.
Move! Get up! Move! Move!
The has stolen his heart. Obichara Yamiri, on your jaw. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Take it away from me! He's my son! And then he's mine!
I won't allow you to destroy him! Chimeze is not yours to control! I will never allow you make him the tyrant you are!
How dare you call me tyrant? Do you know me? I am King Nnamdi, and for doing that, you call me tyrant! Call you tired, huh? Nonsense. Don't call me tired. And you. No. Listen to me. Listen to me. You will never sell this. Never speak about this. Do not.
Good morning, my prince. Good morning, my prince. Your tea is ready on the order of your father, the king.
Get out! Get out! You should have stayed back. Let me remove your head and give them for breakfast.
So, Your Majesty, how do you plan on celebrating your father this year?
Your Majesty!
It's going to be...
Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
Funanya, what is it?
It's Prince Chibueze. Prince Chibueze attacked me. Again? Yes, Your Majesty. If I had not rushed out of that room, I would have been a dead person by now. You would have been looking for a way to tell my mother that I'm dead. I am glad that didn't happen. So what did you do to him? I did not do anything, no. I did not do nothing.
Funanya.
Your Majesty.
You can leave.
Your Majesty. Just go. Please, Your Majesty. Is that all you're supposed to say? What if he had harmed her?
Well, he did not.
So are you waiting until he harms her before you do something?
It will now be said that the prince killed his own valet. I mean, bad publicity for the palace.
Maybe that is what we want. Is it not better you take him to the psychiatrist?
You should better watch your mouth.
I didn't say prison, I said psychiatric hospital.
Stop it.
Stop what?
What is wrong with you?
Everything.
Don't tell me you're in the mood.
Oh my God, always in the mood, you know that.
So you're looking at this.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this?
How many times will I remind you to be locking that door?
Get out now before you open that stupid mouth to talk rubbish. Okay. Get out!
Oh, you should have knocked. You should have knocked.
How many times do I have to remind you to lock the door? Meaning this is not the first time you're doing this rubbish with a common maid.
Mom, she's not a common maid. She's a trained nurse. And I'm sure you don't have an idea how useful she's been to us in this palace.
Useful to us? What does that mean?
Mom, she's been the one taking care of Chibueze. Without her, it would have been impossible for me to ascend the throne of Ihoma.
Is it what I'm thinking?
She's the reason Chibueze gets the way he does every morning.
Morning madness. How did you keep this from me?
I wanted to handle it all by myself.
Not anymore, son. And you have to be very discreet with this your affair with her. Imagine if it was your father that walked in. In fact, you need to say this.
Mama, what is this? Mom, what's this? Mom, is this true that the king has only 6 months to live?
Yes, it is true. The king's heart is failing him. And the physicians have predicted he won't be living beyond 6 months.
Is he away?
Yes, he is. And so we are. Just that he doesn't know we have this report. He underestimated me.
A mistake no one should make. This is my chance. Finally, the time has come for me to take what rightfully belongs to me. No more playing second fiddle to that unstable fool.
Patience, son. The king may be weak, but don't know who is not. This is a time for you to bring him closer to yourself.
No. Onowu is the key, and his favor will secure my path to the throne.
Appeal to his ego. Make him believe you're the one fit for the throne. Make him understand that Chibueze's instability makes him unfit.
Onowu thrives on flattery, much like a lion enjoying attention. I must inflate his ego.
Son will have to tread wisely. You know, Chibueze's instability may make the people begin to pity him, take pity on him. And we must not force the king's hand too soon, or he may still side Chibueze.
Mom, I act as the devoted son while winning Onowu's favor. That crown will be mine.
Yes. The crown has always been yours. Just that we'll have to wait for the right moment. I think I will see you soon.
Mom.
Son? Do you remember the old rule that says, keep your friends close, but your enemies closer? Chibueze's weakness are our greatest weapons, our assets. It's key.
Mom, I know, and I will exploit it.
Why do you want to destroy him? Because I wait for your unselfish interest.
Okay, Mama, I'll check back later. Mama. Hey. Mara. Oh. I came to look for you. Mama said you went for a job interview. How did it go?
It didn't go well, though. They didn't even bother to look at this CV that I brought. Even after I explained my experiences to them, they said they needed someone with more practical skills.
What? I can't believe these people don't believe in your potentials.
I don't know what to do at this point. I'm really frustrated. But then, you know, it's not even about potential. It's about connection, who you know. And you and I know that I don't know anybody.
Amara, I kept telling and begging you, why not come and work at the palace? Please.
Don't start now, don't start. We've had this conversation before. I've told you I'm not interested in being a palace maid. I don't want it.
Amara, palace maid is better than you staying at home doing nothing. Please.
I know. But then, you know, I want something more fulfilling, something more challenging. A job that I can use to help others. I don't want to be serving tea every morning and ironing clothes.
This is not all about ironing clothes and serving tea. See, Amara, listen. Being a maid is just temporary. A stepping stone until you find the right job. Please.
I know. I know this thing you're telling me, but I don't want it. I want something that makes me feel fulfilled. I don't want to be moving backward. I don't want to be moving backward.
They're getting it all wrong. Sometimes, the path to success isn't a straight line. Maybe this isn't a step backward. This is just a tutor. Please, just give it a thought.
Ogoma, I've heard you. I'll give it a thought like you said, but still, just know that I'm not interested in being a palace maid. You saw Mama, Abi?
I saw her.
Thank you for being concerned. Abi, thank you, I'm tired. Let's go inside. Mara, this is your stew.
Otaka. Yeah, good stew. Thank you very well. To make it special. Just for you.
I know, right?
You want a million?
I don't want to drink it.
Amara, I think your friend is right. Life journey is never a straight path. Most times, it's filled with lots of twists and turns.
I know, Mama, but... Ify.
Good day, ma. Good day. Take him. Fine, ma. How was work today?
Fine, ma. If you come and join us now.
Come and join
Thank
us.
you. Amara, can I see you? What is it? Let's see. Mom, come.
Okay. Ngwano. Be fast though, so I will not finish this food though.
Ify, what is it now? You've not said anything.
I'm gonna have this.
What is this?
It's the lab result of Mama's blood sugar test.
What does it say?
Amara, Mama's blood sugar level has increased again, and we both know why. Please.
If you understand, eh? It's not like I don't want to get her medication, but I don't have the money for now. I can't afford it.
Have this at the moment. You need more, okay? Please, do not wait until she suffers another crisis.
I know. That's why I'm trying so hard to get a job, so I can take care of her. It really makes me sad.
Please do. Please do, because this is not looking nice at all. A major diabetes complications might occur, and it will be fatal.
I understand. Thank you so much.
Get these drugs as soon as possible.
Thank you.
I leave now.
Okay. Thank you.
What is it? Is anything the matter?
No, nothing. Sure. Yeah, let's eat.
Are you sure? Libezam.
Yeah, I'll eat more. I don't want to eat.
Are you sure?
Mama, I really don't like the way you keep going to the farm, even after I've told you that you should stop.
Hey. Amara, we need the money.
Mama, what do we need the money for? We have foodstuffs in the house that will last us for some time.
Of course we do. But we don't have money to buy my drugs.
Your drugs? What do you mean by your drugs, Mama?
Amara, I heard your conversation with Tifoma yesterday.
Mama, you eavesdropped on us.
So? Amara, I know you have tried. But allow me to look out for myself. Pico, you know now, one.
Mama, I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry that I can't take care of you. It really breaks my heart.
My dear, there is nothing to be sorry about. Look at them, ma. Look at them, ma. Nona, smile.
Elders of our land, as we move forward on the matters concerning our people, it is important that we Chibese, what kind of interruption is this?
For the past 2 days, nobody has brought food to me in my room. I want to know why. Do you people want me to starve to death? Is that the plan? Huh? Tell me!
Chibese, this is not the right time and place for this conversation. Besides, Flyer came to your room to call you for breakfast yesterday.
Liar!
What?
Bloody liar, that is what you are. You are a liar. You shocked because I am speaking truth to power? Nobody came to give me food. Nobody! You're lying!
Chibese, get out from this place. this minute. Else I will
what?
tell the guards to bundle you out from here.
And I will tell the guards to bundle you out of this place.
Guards!
Guards!
Your Highness. Go to Your Highness. Take him away from here.
Take him away from here.
This minute. Take him away.
Take that man.
Bundle him out this minute.
Bundle him out this minute. Can't you see the man? This dictator should be moved out of his body. Are you drunk? Move this man out of this palace for God's sake. Move him out. What is wrong with you? You should be out. Listen, I will not take you.
I honestly didn't know that things were going to be this difficult.
My dear, it's as if you don't know someone at the top, you cannot succeed in life.
It's all about connection, Mama. It's just... The thing that breaks my heart the most is seeing you go to the farm and still work. When you're meant to be at home, resting and enjoying the fruits of your labor.
My daughter, it's not your fault, okay? It's not your fault that things are going on this way. I see your efforts. I see your zeal to succeed in life. And I'm proud of you. Oh, Mom.
Thank you for never giving up on me, Mama.
Why would I give up on you? Why? I will support you in every way I can. Oh, Mom, cheer up.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, give me that smiley look.
Thank you.
Mama, help, someone.
Your Majesty, with the recent development and the way things are going in this family, do you still consider Prince Chibeze fit to run the affairs of this kingdom when you finally join your ancestors?
He was the first son. And the tradition is clear on this matter.
But he's mentally unstable.
You wouldn't say that about my son.
That is the honest truth. I am speaking an innocent truth. Prince Chibeze piloting the affairs of this kingdom will spell doom. As a matter of fact, it will bring unwanted destruction on this land. Is that what you want for your people?
And what will you have me do?
Your Majesty, do not be angry. I'm your wife. I should be concerned about everything happening around us. I think you should consider Ikechukwu for the throne instead.
You will not make mockery of our tradition and culture. Excuse me.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. I had to rush here. You sounded so desperate. What happened? I should have had your head on a plate and your headless body sent to the evil forest for the wild animals where they will feast on it. Your Majesty, I have known you since I was a child. I have not seen you speak in such a manner. And that is why you are still breathing. Your job here is to take care of the crown prince and to make him feel better. Your Majesty, I'm trying my best. Your best is not enough. It's nothing to write home about. You should have been here to see him this morning.
I try my best. I swear. I try my best to follow the routine the best way I can. I try.
The king said you created a scene today at the throne room. Is it correct? That means you are not saying the truth about your medications.
One of my weak points is lying. I've never been good at it. So believe me when I say that I take my drugs as prescribed.
There's something is wrong somewhere. Confused.
From Naya. Dr. Chisom is with my brother as we speak. She's beginning to suspect something. Yeah, she thinks something is amiss, especially after the stunt the madman pulled at the chambers this morning.
Isn't that what you wanted?
Yes. No. Yes. That's the plan. But what is not on the plan is for you to get caught.
And what makes you think I could get caught for lessing his drink?
That level of confidence.
Exactly. So can I go now?
Hey, come on. Come on, Funaya. Why this attitude? Have I done something wrong to you, my love?
Obviously you have. The queen embarrassed me yesterday and you stood there and said nothing. All you could say was, why didn't I lock the door behind? Do I need to remind you that I am the reason you still have a chance to that room? But for my efforts, your brother would have been deemed fit long time ago.
I know that. And I'm not taking it for granted.
Really?
Yeah.
You do?
From my heart.
That's more like it.
Why do you want to destroy? Why do you want to destroy him? Because I wait for your unselfish interest.
Chibeze, I really want you to be okay.
Of course I want to be okay. I want to be fine. I'm the one in this. I know how it hurts. I want to be okay, but I don't know what's happening. It's as if the drugs you're giving to me are not working. Yes, maybe you should give me something stronger. Something that'll make me stable.
I think I know exactly what you want.
What are you doing? Why?
Why?
What do you mean why? You're asking me. You're married to some.
To a man I don't love. And you know it. Chibeze, it's you that I want. I love you. We had plans to be together forever.
And what happened? You got pregnant for another man.
I told you. I was drunk and I had sex with him. When I realized I was pregnant, I tried to abort the baby. But the baby refused to be aborted. I was left with no choice than to marry a man I barely know.
Please. The deed is done. You can't reverse it. You're married to him now. You need to stay married. Alright? There's nothing anybody can do about it. Please. I may have my issues, but being a homewrecker is not one I would like to add to the list.
And don't say taking what belongs to you makes you a thief.
Stop. Look. Your child needs his father. He also needs you. What you should be thinking about right now is making me fine. Like, you know, you're a doctor. Treat me. Take care of me. Let me be okay. Give me the right drugs, the right medications. Let me be fine. Not trying to ignite a fire that is already out. You need to go.
I'm still in love with you.
You need to go. You need to leave. Please. Thank you so much for stopping by, but it's time for you to go.
Okay. I'll stop by tomorrow and get your drugs for you as we discuss.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Ogini kamjisi mukote nenoa. Pain and sorrow has taken all over me. Anyamire juwa manya onyege yere maka. Help me oh. Ogini kanyamona fuziana. Help me
think you can go. How are you? I'm fine. Hey. When the palace guard came to tell me that one Amara is here to see me, I almost asked him, are you sure it's the Amara I know or another Amara? Because the Amara I know will never near the palace. Amara, are you really here?
Stop, Joe. Why are you sounding as if I hate the royal family?
For a starter, you do.
You're just assuming. Stop.
We know what you know. You are here. Same here.
This place is so fine. Look
So,
at all the cars. Like I'm just been looking so fine.
calm down. Come, let me take you around. You will enjoy here.
Okay, let's It's very easy for someone to get lost in the beauty of this palace. It's so beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. Yes, I'm glad. See, Amara, here is not just beautiful. It is peaceful. And I'm hoping you will reconsider my request. Please.
Honestly, that's why. See, I think I might just apply for the role of a palace maid because things are really hard for my mom and I.
I understand. Don't worry, eh? See, Amara, I will take you to the king's chief of staff. I will tell him your interest to work in the palace.
Okay, that's so nice. But then, don't I need to come with a CV or something?
Forget about CV. All those ones are formalities. You girl is here now. I'll work on it. Come. Thanks for coming, eh?
So just like that, I have a job now.
I told you.
170,000 naira. And he even said if I behave well, that it will be increased. I am so happy.
Look at you. I thought it's not all about the money.
That's for my counselor work, not for palace maid.
I'm greeted, my friends.
Greetings, my friends. Is that the conference?
No. That's Prince Ikechukwu, the king's second son.
Take this easy.
I am sorry I had to call you all together here at a very short notice. Because it is very important you are all here.
It's okay for you to summon us here, as we know that whatever it is about that you want to discuss with us is for the good of Ifeoma and his people.
Your Majesty, we are aware that nobody has the interests of this land more than you do.
Thank you so much. That is why I have to call for this impromptu meeting. Because it is very, very important. You all know that I have not been able to carry out my duties properly as a king because of my failing health.
We know this, and we also understand that this is not a matter of neglect, but your health. Yes. Take it easy, my king. Take it easy.
But we all agree that it is not good for a kingdom like ours to exist without a leader. And that is why I've decided to go for this meeting, to inform you all about my decision to appoint a regent.
It will be your best interest to tell me about your meeting with the king.
My queen, I would have told you this before you start asking this. See, if you don't rock on the square, we were ordered to keep over the outcome of the meeting.
Can you listen to yourself? You're supposed to be my eyes and ears in this palace as regards to king's private decisions. And that is why I make sure you have a better life than the rest of the elders.
My queen, I understand and appreciate everything you do for me. And I have always been loyal to you. You see, but on this subject matter, my hands are tied.
Just imagine yourself. Just imagine how ungrateful you can be. In that case, I'm going to cut off all my benefits. all my reward, meaning you are no longer useful to me. You and your family will find a hard time, very tough time, adjusting to the new hardship that will come with it.
Okay, my queen. The king has decided to make one of his sons a regent.
And Prince Nkechukwu is not his decision. You can go.
Hey, come on.
My prince, I have to go, please.
I miss you, Funaya. Come. I miss you.
You miss a woman who you have no regards for. You miss a maiden whose duties are to warm your bed and get you to the throne.
Come on. You know you mean much more than that to me.
Really?
For real.
Then prove it.
Prove it how?
I need you to make me a promise.
Promise? What promise?
I need you to promise me that once you're king of Ihoma, you will make me your queen. Oh yes, that's it. I was right about you after all.
Come on. Come on.
I need you to give me your word on my request. Else, we have nothing to say to each other.
Who?
Good morning, my friend. Your mother requests that you come and see her at her chamber.
It's alright. Thank you. From there. I have to see my mom now, okay? I'll be with you in a jiff.
Hey, you go. Come here. Come!
Are you talking to me?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the carotone behind you. Stupid.
Is there a reason why you're calling me names? You're calling me names like stupid.
I can see she has guts, like a big one at that. But listen to me, you don't try that rubbish here. Because if you do, I'll make sure you're kicked out of this place faster than you got here. Don't try me.
Okay. If you're looking for someone to pick on, why don't you find someone else? Because I'm really not interested. And if you say you want to kick me out, why don't you do it instead of your empty threats? Excuse me.
Empty threat. Empty threat. For real. Carotone, you have guts. I like that. I like challenges. But trust me, I'm going to make your stay miserable and short hair. Idiot. I'm going to show you that I am in charge.
Why do you want to destroy him? Because I wait for your unselfish interest. On a power be because I wait for your unselfish interest.
You sent for me.
Yes, I spoke to Arinze a moment ago.
Okay.
He said the king had decided to make Chibeze a regent.
A regent? I mean, why would anybody in his right senses want to make a madman a regent? How?
Is it not obvious that the king and elders of this kingdom do not have the interests of this kingdom at heart? They don't care about the progress.
They are bent on one stupid tradition.
And how far have you gone with what I told you the last time, what we discussed about you massaging the ego of the Onowo? Because he's the only one that has the right to make you sit on the throne. What have you been doing about it?
What if Chibweze abdicate?
Can you stop being foolish and start using your head? At this your age, you still behave like a child? You and I know that Chibweze will never do a thing like that.
I think he might.
Can you stop?
Mom, never say never, remember?
The devil has stolen this heart. Stop being listening. On your job, you have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace, changed this palace upside down.
My prince, is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine, no. I thought it wise to come see you. You know, it's been a long time I came around here.
Wow, that's thoughtful of you. You care to come in?
That will not be necessary, no.
All right.
It's obvious you're going out. And I wouldn't want to disrupt your daily plan with my impromptu visit. I can always come back. You know, I'm like a son to you.
I appreciate that a lot, my prince.
Thank you.
No.
You know, like it is said, no one visits the gods empty-handed.
Wow.
Hence, I deemed it fit to come with this little token.
Wow, this is so much, my prince. So much.
This is meager compared to what is yet to come. Yes, I have decided to be taking good care of you as a knower of this kingdom.
Wow, thank you, Prince Ikechu. Huh? That was thoughtful. You are a young prince with a beautiful heart. Thank you once more.
I can't say that again.
Wow.
As a matter of fact, I will be on my way. I have some princely duties I need to attend to.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
It's okay.
Thanks.
So how's the family?
Everyone is fine.
All right.
Everyone is fine.
My regards to everybody.
I'll do that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
That's thoughtful of you.
You must be a fool to think my door will be locked by this time of the day. Just as stupid as they come. I don't know what is wrong with you people. I told you countless times, you want to come in, you come in. Stop knocking repeatedly, it drives me mad. Knock once, fine. You want to walk in? You walk into the room, stop disturbing me. Crazy people, nobody thinks in this palace, I just don't understand.
My friends, I'm sorry. I'm
Why?
My name is Immerse, my friends. I'm new.
Sorry I lashed out at you, I thought it's the other maid.
I understand, my friends. The king requests that you come see him immediately.
Where is he?
At the throne room, my friends.
Alright, make me a cup of tea.
At once, my friends. The prince asked me to bring him tea.
The prince asked you to bring him tea, and you're going to give him tea. Really? You're barely 3 weeks here, and you are already taking over my duties.
Well, that wasn't my intention. I'm only following orders. Is that not what maids like us are meant to do?
She's only following orders. Okay, fine. You know what's going to happen? I want you to take this tea back and allow me to do my job. Now.
Okay, I actually have no problem with doing that. But you have to tell the prince that you asked me to take the tea back.
And what's the meaning of that?
It means that if you are bold enough to counter the prince's orders, you should be bold enough to say it to his face.
Sometimes I like your guts. But watch it, girl. Watch it. You will not like to be in my black book.
I don't want to be in your white book either. Look, you've been picking on me since the first day I got here, and I really don't want to have problems with you or anyone.
Of course. You're already having problems with me. And you won't like it because it's going to be hot. Now take this tea back.
I will take this tea to the prince, like he ordered me to do. Excuse me.
Really?
That was a good movie made yesterday. You know, no one really visits Ozemena, let alone gave him gifts. That kind gesture alone, trust me, has already captured his heart. That's melted his heart already.
Mom, you think so? It's just one visit.
I don't think so. I know so. That was a good start. You know, Ozemena is an old man that needs care and attention. Give him gift. Show him love. That will even melt his ego. Choke him with goodies while the maid does her part.
From Nanya?
Yes, from Nanya.
We had a fight and I suspect she stopped.
What?
Mom, you won't believe she told me she wants to be queen.
What? Has she gone mad or what?
I thought exactly.
It's fine. Agree to her demands.
How, Mom? Both of us know that's not going to happen.
Of course it's not going to happen. Play alongside with her. Play her game with her. Tell her what she needs to hear.
Mom, Nanya is not someone you play such game with.
My prince, she is just an ordinary maid that will be discarded when the time is right. For now, she is just a means to an end.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Yamiri, your job. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace, changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace.
I swear to God, the next time she tries to bump in on me like that, I will give her a piece of my mind.
Amara, who is it again?
It's not that lousy bully called Fanaya. Can you imagine she asked me to return the tea I was taking to the crown prince just because apparently it's a duty to serve him every morning?
I was praying both of you don't bump into each other when you were taking the tea to Prince Chibueze. I knew this would happen.
It wouldn't have been a problem if she was just nice about it.
There is nothing nice about Nanya, my sister. There is nothing nice about her. This is her for you. Apparently, there is a rumor that she's romantically involved with one of the prince.
Really?
Yes. Rumor has it that she and Prince Ikechukwu are hitting it off.
The same prince that has his head in the cloud?
Exactly. Please ignore her.
Well, that's not my business. I really don't care if she's having an affair with the prince or even the king himself. She's just out of my business.
It's okay. Please, it's okay. That is Nanya for you, okay?
I'll tell her a piece of my mind the next time. Shh, don't mess with me.
Okay. It's okay.
You think the girls are sleeping? Don't worry, very soon you go see. Somebody you go see. No hiding place for you. No evil shall go unpunished. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, changed this balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Come on, why did you want to answer me?
Is there anything you want me to do for you, my prince?
It's about a conversation.
What about our conversation? What about it? That I'm good enough to do your dirty work, but I'm not good enough to be your queen, right?
Says who, Funaya? No, tell me, says who? No, says who, Funaya? Who is more befitting to become the queen of this land when I become king, if not you? Tell me.
Are you being serious right now?
When I become the king of this land, Funaya, you will be my queen.
Oh my goodness.
Cross my heart about this.
Very well then. I plead my allegiance to you once more, my prince.
Total allegiance, I guess. Come on.
Total.
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 We will talk more when I come back, okay?
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Come on.
I'll see you.
Now, easy. All right. Easy, easy. Easy. Women.
Yes, everything is going according to plan. He was with you no room 2 days ago.
In 5 months,
as expected. But that is not going to happen. I am not keeping my fingers crossed.
I thought you said the prince has someone handling that.
Yes, he was. But she made some kind of ridiculous demands that he couldn't fulfill. But everything has been taken care of and she's back on track.
You must achieve this task, Adako. You must.
Of course. I know how important this is to you. I'll talk to you again.
The devil has stolen this heart.
I am not backing down at all. I'm going all the way.
Upside down, upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Is this real?
Yeah, as real as it can be.
I understand why there is a call for your region.
No one knows about this except my mom, myself, and now you.
And the king?
No, my mom decided not to tell him about it.
So according to this, the king has just 5 months to live.
Yeah, and in a few months, you'll become the queen of Ihoma.
I would want nothing more than that, my love.
The ball is now in your court. Get Chibweze mad. Get him so mad that the palace will be left with no other choice than send him to a psychiatric hospital, paving the way for the king and queen to become crystal.
My love.
Yeah.
Leave that for me, okay? By the time we are mourning the death of the king, Chibweze will be where you want him to be. I promise you that.
Really?
Yes.
Can always count on you.
What are you trying to do?
Can always count on
Please,
you.
don't. Stop, I'm tired. I just want to sleep.
You can't be tired.
I just want to sleep.
Oh, you told me already.
You think the girls are sleeping? Don't worry, very soon you go see. Oh, somebody you go see. No hiding place for you. No evil shall go unpunished. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, change this balance upside down. The devil has
And what's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? Is that the first thing you say when you see your prince?
Good morning, my prince. But my prince, I don't understand why she's the one serving your tea when it's something I do religiously for months.
Well, that's because you stopped. And I don't know why. Amara came along, and now she's serving my tea.
But I'm sorry, my prince. I'm here now. I'm here to resume my duty.
Good to know you're here now. Sadly, Amara is doing it now. You know how much I love my morning tea. I believe you can find other things to do in the morning. There's so much to do in the palace.
Come in.
Your Majesty, you just said to me.
I was told you now attend to Prince Chibueze's private needs.
He asked me to do so.
And that is Funanya's primary assignment. And it shall continue to be so until I say otherwise.
Your Majesty,
Shut up. You don't speak until I ask you to. This is your second month in this palace. And I'm hearing stories about how you make major changes.
That's not true, Your Majesty.
Shut up. I can see you have problem taking instructions. Today is my very good day. I'm in a good mood. The next time you go against my orders in this palace, I'll ask that you be thrown out of this palace for good. Going forward, you shall not attend to Prince Chibize's needs anymore. And I hope you heed to this, because you'll be lucky the next time. Get out.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The course is clear. I need results.
Trust me to deliver, Your Majesty.
You can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
The devil has stolen this house.
You stupid rats.
The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, changed this back upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the
Don't think much about it.
I'm trying not to. But then something feels very off.
What exactly?
Why is the Queen so persistent about Fanaya attending to Prince Chibuze's every need?
You see, that has been her job. I don't see any problem in that.
Yes, it wouldn't have been a problem. I mean, I would have just walked away, except for the fact that the Queen's behavior is far from being normal.
You should understand why they decided to keep the prince's situation discreet.
How do you mean?
You don't know?
Yes, I don't know. What's going on?
Really?
Yes. What's going on?
You're spying on me. You think I don't know you're spying on me? I know. Who sent you?
Please, my prince. It's just a little child, please. It means no harm.
I'm asking you, boy, who sent you?
Ah!
Who sent you?
Jimbo!
Huh?
Please!
Who sent you?
Please! Somebody!
Welcome, my daughter. We heard about the unfortunate incident, and we are deeply sorry for what happened.
My son was terrified. The prince, he attacked him and accused him of the things he doesn't understand. I don't care if he's a prince, but he acted like an animal.
You have every right to be angry. We here, we don't take it lightly. We already had a conversation with your husband, and I am sure everything will be resolved amicably. His Royal Majesty has a condition one that the palace is trying to manage. Although that's not an excuse for what he did. We are here to make sure that things go on well with you.
We'll ensure that your son receives the best medical care for his injuries. The palace doctors are available to give him the desired attention, so you have nothing to worry about.
What about his trauma? My boy has not spoken a word since the ugly incident. Will you fix that too?
I understand your pain. The palace is willing to compensate you generously for your troubles. All we ask is let this incident stay private.
We know that there's no amount of compensation can undo the harm, but consider the future of your son. We'll give him a good education, a good life. All we ask for is that you allow us to handle this matter internally and keep this secret. Please.
It's okay, no. I've heard you. I don't want any more trouble. All I want is my son to be safe. If you promise that he will be taken care of, then I'll keep quiet.
Your son will be taken care of. You have our word. This matter just have to stay between us. Nobody should hear about it.
Okay, no. Thank you so much. Thank you, my elders.
Thank you, my elders. We appreciate.
So they are paying her off. Eh?
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Pains and sorrow has taken all over me. Help me, oh. Help me, oh. Sorrows and pains every day. I need someone to help me. Help me, sorrows and pains every day. Crown of betrayal.
This is becoming far too common. The princess episode is becoming far difficult to control.
His heart is full of love, but he is very unstable and very unpredictable.
Another secret. Another cover-up. This secret must be exposed. My prince Ikechukwu must be king of this kingdom. And he is the king this kingdom truly needs. And I am his queen. Well-deserved queen. Nothing will stop me from becoming.
Enemies
What have I done? What have I done? It's just a child. What have you done? It's just a child. get hold of myself. Why can't I lay my hands on?
My prince, you sent for me.
Get out.
What?
You heard me, I said get out!
My prince, you can't be alone. You're hurting.
So if I'm hurting, how does that concern you? Get out! Get out! I didn't mean to hurt him. He's just a child. He's just a boy. I didn't mean to hurt him. I didn't mean to hurt him.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Ogini kam jisimu kote nenoa. Pain and sorrow has taken all over me. Anyamire juwa manya onyege yere maka. Help me oh. Ogini kanya mona fuziona. Help me oh. Sorrows and pains every day. I need someone to help me. My friends. Help me. Sorrows and pains every day. Crown of betrayal. Abogene Kamerua. Chimo. Watarama Selemaka. Crown of betrayal.
That is the palace's best secret. You're even lucky that the queen took the task of taking care of him from you.
I feel so sorry for him.
Amara, all of us do. But that's his cross. Let him carry it. I wish I saw your face when he yelled at you. For a moment, you wish he never took this job.
Well, you talked wrongly. You don't know how much I actually want to do this job now.
Baby, you're crazy.
No, Goma, I'm not crazy. I want to attend to people like the prince. People who are suffering from one mental health issue or the other.
Amara, what is your problem? Listen, the prince is not the type of client you need. Yes, he's not the type of client you're looking for.
And how do you know this?
Because I know it.
Why? How do you know it? You think he's crazy? You think he's mad? He's not mad.
Your Highness, you sent for me. Yes, how is the son? I mean, how is the feeling? I heard what the prince did to him. That was quite unfortunate.
Oh, Your Highness, accidents do happen.
Accidents, you call it? You and I know that was not an accident. That's what the crown prince does. He goes haywire and hurts anybody on his path. You can imagine accusing your son of spying on him. I'm just trying to figure out how this kingdom would look like under his watch. My brother needs professional help.
Oh, Your Highness, I'm sure the palace is doing its best for him.
Surely his treatment is beyond the four walls of the palace. I'm sure you can agree with me.
I don't know what to say to that, Your Highness.
Yeah, it is a duty of the palace to take care of him. I mean, to give him help as a crown prince of this kingdom. Most of his expressions, I mean, most of his wrongdoings are swept under the carpet. And if the victim doesn't come forward, the palace will keep doing that all the time. And that will not help him, not even the palace. You'll be doing this kingdom a great favor if you come forward and let the public know what the crown prince did to your son.
Your Highness, that is more like treason. It is me betraying the crown and the kingdom itself.
No, it is you doing the kingdom a great favor. You see, coming forward will ensure the prince gets help. And that will as well help the kingdom when he becomes king.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I pledge an allegiance to the crown. And I'm not the type that go back on my ways.
It's obvious you were offered something. But I promise you I will double it if that is what it takes.
Your Highness, I can't do that which you ask of me.
Anosuke, I will triple the offer made to you and your family. You see, I'm doing this so that the kingdom will be safe. I'm doing this for the good of my brother. I'm doing this for the good of the kingdom. I mean, when he ascends the throne of Ihoma, everything will be fine. That is why I'm doing all this.
Your Highness, I understand your concern, but I have an oath I must honor, and a secret I shall go to my grave with. I'm sorry.
Get out. Mom, that boy is stubborn to say the least. He was not even willing to cooperate.
Did you offer him more than what the palace promised to offer?
I offered him double the compensation. He still refused. I even offered to give him 3 times what they got. But he cared less about the money.
3 times and he refused?
3 times.
What idiot turns down such an offer?
That boy is stubborn. Mom, very stubborn. Not ready to entertain conversation. He insisted he swore an oath to the crown and that he's ready to go to his grave with secrets of the palace.
He's not stubborn. He's foolish.
What do you think we'll do now?
Perhaps we should hear from the horse's mouth.
His child?
And his wife. Offer them 5 times. More than what the palace offered. They somehow at some point break them. Remember, they did not swear any oaths to the crown.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara and Miri, on your job. You have done the palace.
Listen to me. To say we are disappointed is an understatement.
You and your household have brought nothing but ridicule to the crown and the palace.
I swear to you, my elders, I have no part to play in this. I didn't take any part.
I know you and your family did it for the gain. Right?
My elders, it was never about the money.
You will go back to your room this very moment. Pack everything that belongs to you and leave the palace at once.
My elders, please.
Listen to me. You are not even allowed to leave the kingdom. Both you and your family, because if you do, you have made yourselves fugitives until we get to the root of this matter.
My elders, please. Just me.
Leave now.
It was never about money.
I said leave. This is a serious matter that must be looked into, because in a few weeks from now, we should announce the crown prince as the regent.
that will no longer be possible. Because there's already protests, but pockets of protests here and there. Carrying the same theme. And what is the theme of this protest, if I may ask? Say no to the mad crown prince. The people of the kingdom will never allow the prince to rule them either as a regent or as a king.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom.
Your Majesty, I am of the opinion, for the good of the kingdom, I am of the opinion that you reconsider your decision of making the crown prince your regent.
Easy, my king. Easy.
He is the crown prince of this kingdom. Therefore, making his younger brother the regent meant going against the tradition of this land.
But Your Majesty, he is mentally unstable to rule.
You will have to be careful with your choice of words, Arisen.
I was going to say that. The crown prince is not a madman. Yes. He is bipolar. And that is a mental condition.
But there's no difference from what I've just said. The crown prince needs help. And he must come outside the palace, not within the palace. After all, what we've been hiding all these years is now made public.
Oh no, we can't take the crown prince to a mental institution. It is an insult to the throne.
I need to have a private discussion with the king alone. So I think the both of you will just excuse us, please.
Okay.
Excuse us, Arenze. Don't worry, excuse us.
I need someone to help me.
My king. I was going to tell you about the video.
Damage control. That is what the palace has resorted to. Saying it's a one-time thing. Can you imagine that?
And sadly, the people of Ihoma believe the lies coming from the palace.
Of course they will believe. When the victim has corroborated the story. Have you seen the chances of making him a regent? It's now higher than ever.
I will not let that happen. I will not let that happen. I will do everything within my reach to make sure it doesn't happen.
So what do you have in mind?
I think I'll go back to the Norway again.
If it will help, go.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara and Miri, on your job. You have turned the palace upside down. Upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Oh no.
Yes, my prince.
In a few days, the elders will meet and you will name a regent. And obviously, that will be my brother.
Yes.
But I'm worried.
Worried about what, my prince?
Oh no, I'm worried about the kingdom under Prince Chibueze. Yes, he's a very good man, but I'm concerned about his mental health. We're able to do the damage control with the incident at the palace. But how many of such would we do when he becomes regent?
We have been able to manage this crisis for years, Prince Ikechukwu. And we did a good job at that. What makes you feel like we can't manage it when he is named regent and eventually king?
No. You and I know it will be very difficult to keep it secret when the crown prince becomes regent.
Dr. Chisom is doing a very good job. There has not been news of him relapsing in recent times. And that event at the palace was just an unfortunate one, which I know will not happen again.
How are you sure? How are you sure? We are lucky we swept that under the carpet. But what if we can't? When it happens again, you see, we can't afford to ridicule the throne. We can't, no.
I understand your concern, but I assure you it won't happen again. Dr. Chisom gave her word on this to myself and the king.
Oh no, we both know that is not true. You see, we need to put this kingdom first. Having a madman on the throne will reign the gains this kingdom has achieved in years. I only hope we do the right thing for the throne and the people. I will be on my way now. I have a few things to attend to. Excuse me.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Miri, on your jaw. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace. You have changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace.
What is it that troubles you so much?
It is very clear that Chibueze is destined to rule this kingdom.
I take it that your meeting with the Onowu didn't go well, right?
You said Chibueze cannot be denied his birthright because of a single mistake.
A single mistake? Really?
That is the only one that was made public. And according to him, that's the only aggression that he made.
Maybe it's time he makes another one.
Even if he does, to be swept under the carpet, like the numerous one he has made that was swept under the carpet.
What if we make it impossible for him to get away with?
You're under an oath to protect the secret, remember?
No, I'm not.
Really?
Yes.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Miri, on your jaw. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Funaya, the tea is creamier today.
My prince, I thought I should give you something special this morning.
You did just that. This is so special.
My prince, do you want any other thing?
Oh, no, you've done enough. Tea is enough.
Enjoy your tea.
I love it. Come back here. Stay one place, let me kill you. Hey!
You were supposed to come to me first before doing whatever thing you did.
It was Funanya's idea.
What? So Funanya calls the shots now?
No, Mom. But it was necessary we do this. Oh, no one the elders already agreed to make Chibueze regent. And if that happens, I will never be king.
Tell me, what is your next line of action?
Let's wait for a little stunt. Let's wait and see the result of our little stunt.
I see. I see. Let's wait.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Miri on your jaw. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace. You have changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down.
Hey,
The devil has...
this guard is very, very lucky. Imagine the prince caught up with him. He would have used the dagger and stabbed him to death. They die.
We are grateful he did not get to that.
And what if he did? Me would have swept it under the carpet, as usual. My humble opinion is this. Let us take him where he wicked. Okay. And forget about making him the regent. That's my own opinion.
As hard as it is, I think you're right.
Thank because of our land. Both of us are now able to agree on certain things. At least one thing.
Not so fast. Not every bit of what you said. Maybe, just maybe, considering the crown prince, the king regent, is not the best for the kingdom now. But then also, taking him to a mental home is not the best for both the kingdom and himself either.
Makawa.
If he gets mentally stable, would we deprive him of his birthright? Or are we going to crown someone who has an official record of mental illness king?
Which one is better? To make him to get all right and be normal human being, or to make him a king? Which one is better at this moment? At this point in time? Which one is better?
I think both.
Both?
What is that?
Elders, we need to calm down and deliberate on this very well, as expected of us. Remember, our allegiance is both to the throne and then the people of the kingdom. We must do it right.
I really hope that we do it right this time. My own opinion is that the truth is as clear as crystal. If you ask me,
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom.
The video making rounds in the village is very disturbing. And it is the most talked about news in the kingdom.
Honestly speaking, I never knew Princess Chibueze's case was that serious. I didn't see this coming.
I was even told that the people from the neighboring villages have even seen the video and they are making mockery of the crown.
How do we explain to the people that we were about to make him the regent?
How do we really explain to the people that we have chosen a madman to the throne, or to sit on the throne when we have an alternative?
Chief Obika, what are you talking about? What are you even saying?
All we are saying is that we have no other choice than to make your son, Prince Ikechukwu, the regent.
But the crown prince is still alive, very much alive. And the tradition states that
he is alive, but mentally unfit to take care of the kingdom. Your son is the only one that can salvage the situation. And His Majesty is not showing any signs of improvement in his health.
This is very sad. What would you have me do? What do you want me to do?
You tell your son about our decision. We know that he may not be interested in the throne, but he is next in line since his elder brother is not fit enough to sit on the throne.
Huh. This is very sad. Very, very sad. Huh.
All hail the future queen.
The dream is finally coming through.
It's finally coming true, or the dream is here. Like?
Not exactly. We still have one more hurdle to cross.
What hurdle are you talking about?
I'm just a regent, Funaya. The king is still alive, remember?
Come on! The king is as good as dead. Listen, baby. Nothing is stopping this. In less than 6 months, you will be king and I your queen, just as we have always wanted.
Yeah, just like we have always wanted.
You know what?
I don't.
I want to show you something. Like, I want to take you to a journey full of
My God.
my baby.
My oh my.
You are going to love it. Trust me.
Oh, awesome. Mama. Good morning. Is it not too early?
No, Mama, it's not too early. I want to get to the palace on time so I can speak to Prince Chibueze.
I want to go and speak to Prince Chibueze. Amara, you are only a mage and not a counselor. Know your place.
Mama, my place is to counsel people. Look, everyone in the palace feels like the prince is not redeemable, but I know he is.
Izuku. Amara, I know you are stubborn. For the sake of us, please, be careful.
I am, Mama. I'm very careful. When I get to the palace now, I will talk to the queen. Maybe she will allow me give the prince free counseling.
Izuku. And you think that is a good idea?
Mama, it's a good idea now.
Yeah.
Mama, please, I'm going to work. Eat so. Bye-bye.
Amara, be careful, oh. Be careful.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom.
Now we have scaled through the hurdles of making you a regent. The next agenda is to make sure we take Chibueze out of here as quickly as possible.
Even if I become regent, I still lack the powers to throw him out of the palace.
Why?
He's still the crown prince, remember? Except he dies or I become king, I lack the locus to adjudicate on matters that concerns him.
Ikechukwu, my son, patience is a virtue. Learn on it.
I mean, the queen is right. You have to be patient. The king has just 4 months to live. So be patient, okay?
How did you know about that? Ikechukwu?
Yes, Mom.
Did you?
I thought.
How could you? What are you thoughting? How could you? No one else was supposed to know that the king has about 4 months to go from now.
Mom, she needs to be aware so she will know the urgency of this plan. We need to make Chibueze go mad completely before father dies, so that there will be no room for conversation of who will be the next king.
So how many people have you told about this?
You mean telling people about the king?
Are you being stupid with me or something? Want me to yank off your head? Are you mad or what?
No, my queen, I've not told anybody, I promise. Nobody.
For goodness sake, I hope you're telling me the whole truth.
My queen, I'm telling the truth. I just want you to understand that I am in this as much as everyone in this room. I really want this to happen because I know once my prince become king, automatically I'll be the next queen of Ihuoma. So I love that. I want it to happen. Don't worry, my queen. I promise I'm going to make him lose his mind completely.
We'll have a few months to make this happen. Have to make sure Ikechukwu becomes king before the king's passing.
I personally, I'll make it happen as fast as possible. My queen.
It's very okay. Leave us. I need to talk to my son alone.
Yes, my queen.
The devil has stolen this heart.
How ambitious that girl can be. How could you?
The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, changed this balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance.
I mean, what is it?
Upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have bent on destroying the peace of this palace. You have destroyed joy and comfort of this kingdom with your wickedness.
What's that your name?
My name is Amara, my prince.
Amara. I see. And you're from this village?
My mom is from this village, but she said my dad is not from here.
She said. That means you don't know your father.
He died when I was barely 2, and since then it's just been my mom and I.
Sorry about that. You look worried. What's wrong?
No, my prince, I'm fine.
I can tell that you are worried. You can share with me what's wrong.
It's my mom. She's sick, and I don't have money for her treatment.
I see. How much?
What? The doctor said it's 250,000 naira, my prince.
I see. Alright, just hold on. See what we can do. Alright. Call your account number for me.
My prince.
You heard me? Call it. 22.
Hey. Amara, I'm telling you, you mean the prince paid for your mom's treatment?
Exactly.
I've always known that the prince is a nice man. But
But what?
Huh?
But what?
You mean he foots your mother's bills?
Ugoma, don't try to change the subject. What did you want to say about the prince?
I mean, but nothing. Forget
now.
about it.
Say it. Tell me. Do you think he's going to ask me for something in return?
Something like what?
You know what men ask for from a woman now?
Are you scared?
Ugoma, the aide made ask to see her immediately.
Okay. After you.
Oh.
Auntie, you heard him. I'll see you soon.
Better come back, let's finish this conversation.
Come in.
Good morning, my friends.
Amara. It's been a while. I was told the Queen said you should let Funaya continue her duties as my personal maid.
Yes, my prince. I heard it's her duty to attend to you, so I just had to respect palace rules.
It's alright. I understand. So what brings you here?
I came to make part payment for the money you loaned me.
Loan? I don't remember giving you a loan.
The money for my mother's treatment.
Oh, yes, I remember I gave you some money. Yeah, right in my room. Nah, it wasn't a loan. I did that because I can afford it.
It was not a loan.
Nah, it wasn't a loan. If it was a loan, I would have told you.
My prince, is there something you want from me?
What does that mean?
Nothing, my prince. I'm sorry.
Women, it's alright. If you ever need anything else, call on me.
Thank you, my prince.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom.
I understand. I understand how helping the prince means a lot to you. But this battle is not yours. If what you told me is true,
I can't just fold my arms and do nothing. These people are desperate and will stop at nothing to achieve their goal.
And what do you want to do? Report him to the Igwe? The same Igwe you said that has barely 4 months to live.
What if I talk to your no?
And you think he's not on this?
Oh no, he's a noble man. Everyone in the village knows him to be a man that can be trusted.
Yeah. Good morning.
A new dawn, right?
Of course. It's a new dawn. And a lot of things is going to change in this palace. It's just a matter of time.
I agree. At least you don't have a madman as our regent. I pray they make Prince Ikechukwu our king.
Of course, my darling. They don't have any option. They will make him our king. That will be the best decision of this palace.
I suspect you have to attend to the king regent's needs henceforth. So will attend to Prince Chibueze's need?
I don't know. Oh, no. I have an idea. Who would like to take the job? I know.
Amara.
You read my mind.
Funana.
Yes, darling. I'm so excited, like,
this morning. I'm saying, we like so much.
Well, before she would, but now she wants to avoid him as much as she could.
Really?
Yes, she's dreading.
I'm so sorry, Sugar. I'm so excited.
When you arrived at this palace, I saw your zeal in serving Prince Chibeze.
Not exactly, my queen.
But you had a quarrel with Funanya, if I'm not mistaken.
It was just a misunderstanding.
A misunderstanding or not, you now have the chance to serve him.
What? My queen?
Going forward, you shall be the one attending to every need of Prince Chibeze under the guidance of Funanya, who is now responsible to attend to the King Regent.
Oh my queen, Prince Chibeze is...
Prince Chibeze is what?
Nothing, my queen.
Better. You can leave now.
Yes, my queen.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Yamiri, on your jaw. You have turned the palace upside down. Upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace, changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down.
What are you doing here? You've come to complete what you started, right? Huh?
No, my prince, I'm not one of them.
You are a bloody liar. They sent you here to confirm if I'm dead, right? To complete the job that you all started.
No, my prince, I'm here to help you.
Get out.
Please let me...
Get out!
My prince, please let me help you. I know what they're doing to you.
You do? What they have done to me, yet you allowed them. Huh?
Oh, my princess, that's why I'm here to help you.
Bloody liar! You're not here to help me, you're here to kill me, you're here to destroy me. You all chose my younger brother, right? Because you all believe that I'm bad. You feel I'm not fit to run this kingdom, right?
No, my prince, my prince. No, my prince, you're hurting me, Please help me.
Leave!
Amara, what is wrong? What is it?
Prince Chibueze, you almost killed me.
What? Prince Chibueze did this to you? I said that this man is mad. He could have killed you.
But he did not.
Are you okay? You're making excuses for a man that did this to you.
No, I'm not, Ugoma. I'm not making excuses for him. It's not his fault.
Of course. It is my fault. It's not his fault.
Ugoma, stop this now, eh? This is not the time for you to be savage.
I'm not being savage. It is my fault for playing these stupid games with you.
The elders are coming in tomorrow to make Prince Ikechukwu regent.
So you were right all this time?
I told you, I wasn't hallucinating. I heard their plans. It's just too bad that I couldn't do anything. I couldn't help.
Another crazy thing to all this is that Funaya will become a queen.
I guess that's how they pay her back for the part she played in all of this. But then, mark my words, if the king is pronounced dead and Prince Ikechukwu is made king, I am out of here.
Same here. Same here. God forbid that I will address Funaya as a queen. God forbid. Ha! At least Prince Chibueze will be free from her clarity.
How do you mean?
Once Ikechukwu becomes regent, Funaya, who is the crown prince's valet, will now be assigned to Ikechukwu.
So that means they will need another personal maid for Prince Chibueze?
Exactly. But trust me, nobody wants to take that position. Nobody wants to take that position.
I want to take it. I'm interested.
Amara, are you okay? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm very serious. I want to take that position. The prince needs to heal.
I don't understand.
Once Funaya is made valet, the queen will need someone else to carry out her evil plans of giving the concussion tea to Prince Chibueze. You know, to make him lose his mind completely and make her experience his madness firsthand. And who better carries out this than someone they don't like?
The queen does not have any problem with you.
But Funaya does. And she might just recommend me to the queen as payback, knowing that the prince's condition is getting severe. Think about it.
Amara, I see your point. But how do we carry the plan?
I need your help.
Okay.
I'll need you to hide in plain sight. Make a conversation, a random conversation about it, and lead it back to me as someone who could fit into the role.
Amara, she knows we're best of friends.
Exactly. That's why I want you to make the conversation as passive as possible. Make her think it's a way of getting back at me.
Amara, this is risky.
Yes, it is. But the prince needs someone to save him.
I think you're the one to do that.
Someone has to try.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in
Just
my
be
own
careful,
kingdom.
please.
Now listen to me, Amara. Go straight to the queen. Go and show her what he did to you. Tell her I no longer want to be his personal maid. Go right now.
I'm not going anywhere.
In that case, I have to do that for you.
Guma, stop this now. I knew this was not going to be a walk in the park with you.
Of course. This might just be a walk to your funeral.
God forbid.
God will not forbid, Amara. God will not forbid, because even the Bible says that wisdom is profitable to direct. But your own, no. You're just being stupid.
Allow me to be stupid then.
Mom, I thought you already retired for the night.
Something came up and I thought we should discuss it tonight.
Something I cannot wait till tomorrow?
If you can't wait, I won't be here.
Good evening, my queen.
I'll see you in the morning instead.
It's alright, Mom. You should have stayed back in the bathroom. I'm sure you heard a voice.
I don't understand. Your mom knows that I am your fiancé. Or has that changed?
Nothing has changed. But my mom believes you're still a maid until I marry you and you become the queen.
Now you listen to me, Prince Ikechukwu. I'm your valet and not your maid.
I know. I know. And you know my mom loves to make this discreet until the right time.
The time can never be right when it comes to your mom. You know your mom hates me so much. But you know what? I don't care. I am married to you and not your mom.
That's
it. Don't tell me that again.
Why did you come back?
I couldn't leave you all to yourself. I was worried about you.
Nobody cares about me. Nobody cares about what I'm going through. They all think I'm mad. And they all want me mad. All they care about is the throne.
My prince, you can still have the throne. It's not too late because he's just the regent and not the king.
It's already too late.
No, my prince, it's not too late.
And who's going to stop him? Have you seen the video?
I have. Everyone has seen the video. But it doesn't define you. That's not your story.
You don't know my story. You don't.
I don't. But I know that you're a good person, my prince.
Pain and sorrow has taken all over me. Help me, oh.
My prince, is there something else you need me to do for you before I go?
I want you to stay.
No, my prince, I can't.
Please, stay with me. I don't want to be alone.
I understand, my prince. But I'm just one phone call away if you need me.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, my prince. Good night.
Chimo,
Good morning, my friends.
Good morning. I didn't sleep all night. I kept on thinking, what if they come for me? What if they come to finish what they started?
My friends, they won't.
How do you know?
Because it's going to expose them. You're safe, my prince.
I want that tea badly. Give it to me.
No, my prince, you can't have this tea. It's been laced. It's been laced with everything that makes you go crazy.
Laced. How do you know this?
I overheard them talking about it. The Queen, Prince Ikechukwu, and Funaya.
Funaya. Funaya is with them.
Yes, my prince. She's always been with them. They promised to make her queen when Prince Ikechukwu takes over the throne.
Funaya is just the maid. I've been good to her. I helped her. I brought her into this palace. She cannot betray me.
I'm sorry, my prince, but she has. She's been poisoning you day by day for their own gain.
Really? I've always known the Queen wanted the throne for Ikechukwu, but Funaya being with them, it's hard for me to believe. I mean, I've always trusted her. Wait, look at me. Can you swear that you actually heard what you just told me? Can you swear?
Yes, my prince. I heard them clearly.
Why do you want to destroy whom because I wait for your unselfish interest? On our baby,
they will pay. Oh, they will pay. I will make sure they pay, all of them. They will pay.
Why do you want to destroy whom because I wait for your unselfish interest?
Are you trying to tell me she has been drugging you all this while?
I think so. I believe so. I can't shake off that feeling. I can't. And I don't know what's been happening to me. I've been unpredictable. I've been erratic. I need to know what they've been given to me.
This is serious. I want a test. But to be honest with you, this kind of analysis can only be done in our office in Lagos. I need to take some time.
It's alright, I'll wait. I'll wait. Just promise me you'll get to the root of it. Promise me you'll do this and find out what they are giving to me, whatever it takes.
I promise I'll try my best to ensure we get to the root of this, but it will be done secretly.
Please, I need to know. For my sanity, I need to know what's going on.
It's okay. I don't mind going to Lagos myself. As quick as possible. Okay. Thank you so much for trusting and thank you for choosing me. I will see you soon.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Ogini kamjisi mukote nenoa. Pain and sorrow has taken all over me. Anyamire juwa manya onyege yere maka. Help me, oh. Ogini kamona fuziona. Help me, oh.
Come in.
Good morning, Constitution.
What are you doing here?
I came to apologize over my action the last time I was here. The moment I agreed to marry my husband, every memory we shared back then in school was supposed to end. I was carried away. Forgive me for invading your space. I understand if you do not want me to be your doctor any longer. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Chisom. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you.
Yes, good evening. You promised to get back to me. What happened? No news yet. There is always news, Ada. I just hope you're not being distracted. If I was getting distracted, my son will never sit on that throne. Because Ikechukwu is now king regent. She cannot marry my son. A maid will never become queen when my son sits on the throne of his father. The girl did the work, so stop taking credit for someone else's effort. Ezoe, please stop. All I've done all these years is take your orders. You know the Ezoe you are. You have a special way of saying thank you. So what is your plan for her? That is not going to happen. My son is going to sit on the throne of his father. Having your son sit on the throne of his forefathers should have been enough consolation for you. What else do you want? Let him sit first. Then every other thing can come. Please. I must go now. I just did. Who is there?
I am glad you could come.
I've been worried about you, Father. I came to check on you. Be sure you're fine.
The thought of you always fills my heart. Every time I'm lying down here, expecting to take my last breath.
Not soon, Father. You'll walk out of here alive. You will walk out with your legs. You'll beat this, Father.
I am flattered. But every good artist knows when to leave the stage. It may seem to be a wrong time to do this, but I trust the gods of my ancestors that are with us on this. I was told they made your brother the regent.
They believe I'm not mentally stable for it.
If only they knew that Ikechukwu is a mad one. But don't worry, my son. The gods of our land is with you. Chibueze, God is king. The Eze in your name is a proof that you are the destined one to rule this kingdom.
It has never been about the throne for me. No, never about the throne. It's about the evil in this palace. It's about the evil of my stepmother and brother.
And if anyone told you that greatness is easy, the person lied to you.
I know, Father. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown.
Even the head that is to wear it. My son, be as smart as a fox.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Pain and sorrow has taken all over me.
My prince, you need to keep up with the act. You need to keep pretending as if you've lost your mind. At least until Dr. Chisom comes back with the test results.
Excuse me. That's insane. What are you saying? It will confirm what they've been saying about me, that I'm mad, that I'm unfit.
I know, my prince. But you need to make them believe that you're still under their control.
No, I disagree.
It's the decoy you need, my prince. If you act like nothing has changed, they'll believe I'm still serving you the tea. And they'll feel like they've beaten you.
No. I do not agree. I say no. For God's sake, I'm a crown prince. I am destined to be king, right? You want me to make a fool of myself, to become a puppet? They are a puppet? Make a fool of myself in front of everybody? I say no.
No, my prince, that's not what I'm saying. I just want you to make them believe that they're still pulling the strings. It's the only way we can buy enough time until the truth is revealed. It's just a temporary sacrifice, my prince. I'm sorry.
Your Highness, I come on behalf of Ebuka and his brother, Kashiku, who have sought justice in this palace. They humbly asked me to beg you to return their palm kernel plantation. The matter has caused much distress in their family.
Distress. Distress, Elder Obika. Do you know the value of that plantation? That plantation is too important an asset to be managed by peasants. They don't deserve it. They don't even know the value. That's why they're fighting about it. As a matter of fact, henceforth, that plantation now belongs to the royal family.
Your Highness, with all due respect, those men have tended to that land all their lives. It is their livelihood. I beg of you, please reconsider your decision.
My world is law, Elder Obika. That plantation now belongs to me. The royal home cannot allow such valued asset
to be wasted by peasants. After all, they are subject to the crown.
Your Highness, I understand your position, but such actions may cause unrest among the people. The royal family has always been known for fairness and justice. I beg of you, look at this matter a second time and return the land to its rightful owners.
Enough! Enough! Elobika. Don't feed me. I can chew it on my own. I am the regent. And my word is law. If anyone dares, and I mean if anyone dares step their feet on that plantation land, they will face severe consequences. For their brother, if they defy me, they will regret it.
The devil has stolen this heart.
This is not the way. No, this is not the way.
Upside down, upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, changed this balance. Upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, upside down.
What do you think you're doing? Are you blind? Is something wrong with you?
I'm sorry, it was an accident. I'll clean it.
It was what? Are you mad? Are you mad?
You didn't have to hit me. It was just a mistake. I was just trying to...
Are you stupid? Did you yell at me? Now you watch yourself, girl. The next time you try this nonsense again, I'll make sure you wish you were born without a tongue. Idiot!
I was just trying to do my job.
You're trying to do your job. Now you listen to me. You would like to know what happens when I'm upset. Stupid. What are you looking at? Get to work and be fast about it. Rubbish. Bring your foot. Idiot. Stop.
Imagine the filth that they give to me and call it food. I'm a prince. I am the crown prince of this land. I am supposed to be king. This is my palace. You cannot give me such nonsense and expect me to eat it. Can you all hear me? Can you hear me? You are mad people. You are mad, all of you. Stupid people, you feed me with filth and you want me to eat it? For God's sake, I am a prince. You feed me like a dog and you give me this bullshit. Why? I ask again, why should you feed me with such nonsense? Why? Can you hear me? I am a prince, all of you. You think I am mad? I am not mad. You people are the mad ones. Wait till I lay my hands on all of you. This is how I will place you on this bed and fuck all of you. Bullshit, you can't tell me that. I am not mad. You all are mad. Foolish people.
That's enough.
Sweet wine.
Nothing is happening today.
Sure?
Yes.
Can we endure it?
Oh, please. My love.
Yeah.
That madman should be in psychiatric home, not in this palace. You know it's a disgrace to have him here.
Yeah. You see, when I become king, mental home will become his permanent abode. He doesn't belong here. He's in this palace.
Exactly, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, I would want nothing more than that. A palace where a mad prince resides. I don't think I would like to go anywhere near him. It's humiliating to be in the same space with that lunatic.
You see, when I ascend the throne, I mean, when I become what we want me to be. You see that madman?
Mm-hmm.
You'll be far away from the palace. Out of sight, out of mind.
Exactly.
when you become king, I can't wait for that day to come. I can't wait to see him stripped of any power he had. And I know his name will be forgotten once you're crowned.
And when that happens, you'll sit beside me as a queen. And our reign will be beautiful.
I love the sound of that.
Oh my God.
I can't wait. Oh, please, please.
Come on, Fegi.
Come in.
I just wanted to say that you are an amazing actor. That act you put on last night, it was brilliant.
I don't know what to say. Am I supposed to say thank you? So, what are they saying? What words are going around the palace?
My prince, may I sit? My prince, so for some, they're actually really concerned about you. Except for the usual suspects. For Naya, she was unusually happy this morning, and I have never seen her like that before.
All this will be over soon, right?
Yes, my prince. What about Dr. Chisom? Has she said anything?
Not yet. She said it would take a while. This act, Amara, it's draining. Yes. It's actually harder than I thought. It's difficult pretending to be mad every day. I don't know how long I can keep up.
I know, my prince. I totally understand you. But then this is the price you have to pay if you want the atrocities to be exposed. If we give up now, they are going to know that we are on to them. And who knows what they are going to do next? They might do something really dangerous. And my prince, you know, Ikechukwu is now seated on the throne. He has power. And he will do anything to keep it like that. Even if it means taking your life. A madman poses no threat to them. Being mad is your best shield for now, my prince. I mean, to them, it's just another crazy person off their book.
Yeah. I think you're right. I think it's the best option for me now.
Amara, are you okay? Amara, what is wrong with you? Amara, why are you risking your life? Why are you risking your life? You heard the prince last night. His outburst was terrifying. You of all people, went to him this morning. Are you okay? Amara, are you normal?
Ugoma, I am just doing my job.
You're doing your job. This job isn't more important than your life. Amara, what if he hurts you? What if he hurts you? Amara, the prince is not well. The prince is not well.
So what do you want me to do? You want me to walk away? I cannot walk away. Besides, the queen puts me in this position.
Hey, you put yourself in this position. Amara, you fix yourself in this position. That's by the way. You can as well go to the queen. Tell her you're no longer interested in becoming his personal maid. She will understand. If she doesn't understand, let her sack you. Yes, this job is not more important than your life. It's better to lose your job than your life.
I am not going to lose my life. Goma, I know you're worried about me, but I am not giving up on the prince. I'm sorry.
You're not giving up. Amara, the prince is gone. He is gone. He is not who he used to be. Yes. Amara, you are risking your life for something that will never get better. Think twice.
Goma, you're wrong. See, there's so much you don't know about. There is so much going on. I am not giving up on him. I will not.
Fine. Amara, fine. You're not giving up on him. No problems. I will have to go. Since you don't want to reason with me, I'll have to go and tell the queen. Yes. I'll have to go and tell her everything. I'll go and tell her the truth. How you schemed your way in becoming his personal maid. I'll do that.
Okay. Go and tell the queen.
What?
Yes. Go and tell her everything. Goma, we both are in this together. Let's see whose head is going to be on the platter. It's going to be two of our heads.
Okay, Amara, great.
Hello? Don't just call me on the phone because of your silly feeling. I just hope it is worth it.
I wish I could live a little longer to right the wrongs that are happening in the palace before I leave. On whose hands are tied. And Prince Chibueze's condition is not helping matters. I also heard that Prince Ikechukwu is beginning to take the family land that was gifted formerly by the palace.
It's really heartbreaking to see things fall apart and your hands are tied. You can't do anything about it. It's really, really heartbreaking to see things fall apart while your hands are tied and you can't do anything about it.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, Dr. Isobe. How are you?
I'm doing great as expected.
It's been a long while. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Your Majesty. How are you, Your Majesty?
I was actually on my way to your house.
I understand. The brothers were in my house a while ago, and they told me what you told them.
I am beginning to think that Prince Ikechukwu will make a terrible king.
He's just a regent, and the whole kingdom is falling apart. What happens to the common man when he's made a king?
Just imagine. Just imagine. I want to appeal to you to talk to him because he needs to be talked to, and he listens to you more.
I will talk to him. I will be in the palace first thing tomorrow morning. When I get there, I will talk to him.
Please do.
I will.
Thank you, no. Thank you.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Miri, on your jaw. You have turned the palace upside down. Upside down. The devil.
What are you doing here? You know you shouldn't be here. What are you doing?
Is that what you think?
I am not thinking. I know that you're not supposed to be here. You coming around here could compromise everything we have achieved. Do you want us to lose everything?
My coming around this place is saving you from an impending doom that is looming over your head.
How? What are you talking about? What are you even saying?
As I speak with you right now, Dr. Chisom has sent a sample of the princess tea to our lab in Lagos. She's requesting for an analysis. She's suspecting that the tea is being laced. Just imagine when she finally lays her hands on the lab result.
What? That nosy doctor. Why can't she stick her nose where it belongs?
Doing her job.
So what are we going to do now?
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Miri, on your jaw. You have turned the palace upside down. Upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace. You have changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Any music?
At all. Her number is not connecting.
My friend, I don't feel good about this at all.
I think I should go to the hospital.
You think that's the right thing to do?
I think so. Do you have a better suggestion?
My prince, I just feel if you go there, it's going to prove that you know about the investigation. And it's not safe to put yourself in such a situation.
Alright, so what do you suggest? If you have a better option, tell me, I'll take it.
I think you should just casually call her office and ask of her. She's your personal physician, so it's safer that way. My prince, do you think her disappearance has anything to do with you?
I don't know. Though I've been told that this is not the first time she's disappearing.
Why?
I hear she's been having issues in her marriage, though I thought it's been resolved.
So it means her disappearance might not be related to you?
I don't know. Believe me, at this point I really don't know anything. I just hope she's fine wherever she is.
I hope so too, my prince. I hope she returns soon.
Something isn't right. I can feel it. I don't feel good about this. Like I can't really place it. I can't lay a finger on it, but I know something isn't right. Something isn't right.
Yes, my prince. I feel the same way too. I'm scared. If her disappearance has anything to do with you, then it means you're not safe. And I might be at risk too.
You need to stay off the palace for a while.
No, my prince. I can't stay off. I will not leave you here alone, no. My prince. And besides, if I stay off the palace, it poses more threat for me.
You have a point. You have a point. We just have to be extra vigilant.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Pain and sorrow has taken all over me.
She was.
Send for me, Father.
I need to talk to you.
Father, you should be resting.
There's no more time to rest. I need to say this while I still can. I have made mistakes. I've been hard on you. Maybe too hard. But every decision I've made is to prepare you for this kingdom. To make you strong.
You didn't have to push me that far, Father. You pushed me so hard at times. And there were moments I thought you hated me.
No, never hate. I only wanted you to be strong, tougher than anyone else. This throne is a heavy burden. Only one with a strong will can carry it.
I just wanted to be your son. That's all. To make you proud.
You are my son. And I'm proud of you, Chibeze. I know I want to give you my final blessings. But I just didn't know how to show it. It is how I was raised. I want you to know I give you my blessings to rule, to be the man this kingdom needs. I know the situation in the palace. Your brother is a regent, but it's just a chariot.
Father, I know you're aware of the challenges and pain that I've been subjected to.
You need the smartness of a fox and toughness of a honey badger to get through this. Who said greatness could be easy? You are the leader this kingdom needs. You have to fight for it. Use your head and not your heart. I've always told you this, my son.
Your Majesty, my breakfast is ready. Your Majesty, I said your breakfast is ready. Your Majesty.
What is it? I listened to a common man or what? Why are you knocking the door like that? Come inside! What is the madness about?
Sorry, my queen. But it's the king.
What about the king? What happened?
I think the king is dead.
You think the king is dead? Or the king is dead? Which one?
I checked his pulse. He's not breathing.
You come here and say, no, so what? I dirty 2 legs. Please go.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Miri, on your jaw. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, changed this balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen.
I'm so sorry about the king, my prince. I can't imagine what you're going through.
It's not just the grief, Amara. It's everything. The weight, the expectations. Everything is closing in. Everything. You've done enough. I think it's time for you to leave. I want you to resign. I'll send you enough money to take care of you for a very long time.
I'm not leaving you, my prince.
Amara, this isn't your fight. You've seen what these people are capable of. It's going to get even tougher in the next couple of days. I don't want you caught up in it. It's my battle. It's not yours.
I can't just walk away knowing the things that I know. Prince, I can't sit back and watch them destroy you. This fight may have been yours when it started, but now it's ours.
Why? Why do you choose to stay? I mean, you can easily walk away. Why stay?
Because it's the right thing to do, my prince. I'm not leaving you. Not now. Not later.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom.
Your Highness, the elders have met. And after much deliberations, we decided that you'll be made king after your father's funeral rites.
I am very, very happy wisdom has prevailed. I mean, reason has prevailed. And I'm also elated that you elders have decided to put the kingdom first, above everything.
Yes, Your Highness. We must consider the good of this kingdom at all times.
Of course we must. We must. Very, very important. We must. And I'm sure you both are pleased with the decision as I am.
Whatever pleases the kingdom pleases us.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So prepare for my reign. Prepare for my reign. This kingdom will experience tremendous growth under my rule.
Ise.
You promised. Now that it's certain that you become the king, when do we start our marriage rites? Or have you forgotten?
No, I've not forgotten. I have not, and nothing has changed. You see, I'm planning a double celebration. Our wedding and the coronation on the same day.
I don't understand. What do you mean our wedding? Like, you are preparing for our wedding and I am not aware of the preparation.
My bad. My bad. Of course, you need to be an aberration if I don't get you involved in the marriage plans. Of course, you'll be involved. But as a matter of fact, I've been very, very busy with palace matters. That's all.
Ikechukwu. Do not make me regret all my sacrifices. You won't have gone this far if not for me. Don't forget that.
I don't appreciate you coming around this palace as if you own here. Stop it.
I do. My family has its history here. You know about it, don't you? Ikechukwu needs to know the truth. He needs to know who his real father is.
Ezobi, what you're asking for is far too dangerous. We stand to risk and lose everything if you have this happen this way you want it. His coronation is within reach.
You think this is about power?
What is it about?
Adaku, do you want me to just watch my son live a lie? He needs to know that I am his real father. Yes, he deserves to know that.
And if you tell him, we lose everything. Our plans, our future with the crown. We lose everything we have worked for all these years.
We will not lose anything. Yes, everything I did for him to be here, I can't lose it just like that. But one thing is sure, the reunion must happen. It is non-negotiable. It must happen before his coronation.
Ezebi, can you go home?
Mother! Mother, finally everything is falling into place. It will be glorious. I will finally become the king of this kingdom.
Just like you have always wanted it.
Exactly, Mother, exactly. And you know what? I want us to make it a double celebration of my coronation. Marry from Nanya on the day I'll be coronated.
Don't tell me you're joking. You're considering marrying your valet?
Mother, I promised I was going to marry her. And I owe her that.
You don't be stupid. People make promises and they break it all the time and nothing happens. Yours will not be an exception. You cannot marry a woman without a noble blood. What do people say?
Mother, not marrying that girl who spelled dome. She knows too much.
I'm aware of that. And you need not trouble yourself with that. Let that be.
Mother, Fumnanya is not that kind of girl we'll toil with. She will release all the arsenals in her armory to bring us down. And you know it.
I'm aware of that. That is why I have made plans to deal with her situation.
Deal with her situation? How do you mean, Mother?
Relax, Ikechukwu. Leave that to me. Focus on the crown while I handle Funanya.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara and Miri, on your job. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace, changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
What's the matter with you? Why are you pushing me away?
There's a situation at hand. And instead of you looking for a solution, you're here horny as usual.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about Dr. Chisom's investigation. You said the Queen told you that she sent the sample of the tea to a lab in Lagos. What's funny?
I mean, having you panic for the first time is hilarious.
Can you please stop it? Stop it. What are you doing about this? What's the solution?
Dr. Chisom's situation has been handled. It's settled.
It's been settled. How do you mean? I don't understand.
The Queen said she handled the situation.
Handled the situation. What does she mean?
I don't know, but she talked about Dr. Chisom not posing a threat anymore.
When the Queen said Dr. Chisom's case was handled, she vanished. Now in the deepest parts of Oja River, where her remains will be fed to fishes.
From now, the Queen wants to see you.
The Queen?
Yes, who is it? Come in.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
Have you carried out the task I sent you?
Your Majesty, Ifunanya is no longer in the palace.
What?
What do you mean by that?
Your Majesty, she left the palace last night, immediately after the meeting with her, and she left with some of her belongings.
You may leave.
Okay, Your Majesty.
What is the meaning of this? Hello? The plans have changed. The bastard left the palace.
What do you think they can play me? They think they can throw me away like an old rag. They better rethink. They don't know who they are messing with. Me, Ifunanya. Okay. No problem. And they have forgotten that I have all their secrets. I have all their secrets and I'm going to release it one after the other. I'll show them no mercy. I'll tell them that it's not everybody you're going to play with and go scot-free. Jesus, I just can't believe this.
Mother, this is unacceptable. Funanya is out there and we act as if all is well. She could be up to something, you know.
Can you calm down? Relax. I have people combing this entire kingdom right now. You have to focus on your father's burial rites and your coronation. Leave Funanya alone. Funanya will be taken care of.
Focus, you say? Mother, how can I be focused when my future is threatened? That girl has information that could bring us down. Mother, you are playing a dangerous game if you ask me.
It will not come to that. Funanya will be silenced permanently. You need to trust me on this. Why are you being childish?
Mother, if only you allowed me to marry that girl. If only you had allowed me to marry that girl, we won't be in this whole situation, we won't be in this mess. That girl would have been a loyal ally.
It is forbidden. It is forbidden for you to marry a commoner. Our lineage must be preserved. Your wife must be of the blue blood. Don't even know why I'm wasting my time talking to you. Just calm down. I don't know why you're making a fuse out of this whole thing.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Yamiri, on your job. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace, changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Yes, hello, Amara. Good evening. Please, sorry to disturb your sleep. I need your help. Yes, it's me. Please, can you lower your voice? I need your help. I hate to say this, but I need your help. I know it's Amara that I'm calling, but I mean it when I said I need your help. Please.
I will not meet with a traitor. No. Never. Whatever she brought upon herself, she deserves it. Yes, let her deal with it.
I understand, my prince. But at least listen to what she has to say. She mentioned Dr. Chisom.
Dr. Chisom? What does she know about Chisom's disappearance?
She said when the queen got a clue that she was attempting to do a lab test, the queen kidnapped her.
Jesus. I knew it. I told you I could sense something was wrong. I knew it. They kidnapped her. Did she tell you where they kept her?
No, my prince. They didn't keep her. They killed her.
What?
How could you put us in this position, Funaya? How could you betray the crown prince like this? You're meant to be on his side.
I'm sorry. I fell in love with the prince, that is it. But he never looked my way. He's always embarrassing me all the time. And when Prince Ikechukwu got back from overseas, he showed interest in me and I lost sight of everything.
You're only feeling this way because you are about to be stabbed in the back. If everything went according to your plan, you wouldn't care if the prince goes completely mad or even if the palace is burning. As long as you become queen.
Honestly, you're right. I feel no remorse for what I've done, but in burning need for a revenge for what the queen intended to do to me.
You said you wanted to tell the crown prince something very important. What is it?
Yes, but I'd rather tell him myself.
Look around here, Funaya. The prince is not here. It's just the both of us. Tell me, I will tell him.
It's just the both of us, but I want to tell him myself. It's something that only him and him alone can guarantee.
Only guarantee you get fish now.
I swear, I have no hand in her death.
I should be dragging you to the police station right now and have you confess to all your atrocities. That should get me the justice I seek.
There is no proof that I did all that. Or confessed to any.
What's this? What are you trying to do? Deny all you just told us? You want to play games with me, huh?
You don't get it, do you? Even if you charge me to court with all the information you think you have, you will still not get justice.
So are you going to give us this information you want us to have, or are you wasting our time?
I am going to do that if the prince will assure me that I'm going to walk away freely.
You must be crazy. I'm done talking to you.
I only need you to assure me.
Clearly, this is a waste of time.
All I need is a guarantee of amnesty from the prince, and I will tell him all he needs to know.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara and Miri, on your job. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace, changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have
No, I will not trust her. No. Not after everything she did. I cannot believe a word from that devil.
My prince, this is not about trusting her. This is about saving the throne and the kingdom. I believe what she has to say to you is very important. She's desperate at this point, so she knows not to play games.
You will not understand. These people are evil. They messed me up. They messed me up. My mother died during childbirth, but I kept on having nightmares, seeing my father strangling my mother to death. I hated my father because of my imagination. These people messed me up mentally, and you want me to trust her? No.
My prince, remember that Queen and Prince Ikechukwu tried to get rid of her. She doesn't really have a lot of options at hand right now. If she has the information we need, isn't it worth the try?
No. I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can. I can't trust her. What if we make a deal with her, then she turns on us again?
I don't think she's going to do that, my prince. If we don't act now, your brother is going to be crowned the king. And that means that the kingdom has gotten into the wrong hands.
All right then. Concerning her demand, what exactly does she want?
Safety. She wants to be assured that after everything is done, that she's going to be protected. She's like a drowning woman looking for anything to cling on to.
This is insane. This is absolutely insane. You want me to trust someone who's been poisoning me? Huh? Someone who aided my perceived madness. How do I trust them?
I'm asking you to do the right thing, my prince. For the throne and for the kingdom. Please don't let your pride and anger stop you from making the right decision.
Upside down, the devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance. Upside down, the devil has stolen your heart.
Jago, what is it? What is the meaning of this? I gave you a simple task to find this girl, yet you keep coming back to me empty-handed. What is that? Oh, please shut up. You and your boys should search everywhere. Search for her. Find her. Funanya couldn't have disappeared or vanished into thin air. Find her for all I care. Incompetent fool. Just keep saying, keep explaining to your death. If and when she is found and she starts singing like a canary, you don't know what that means for me. You and I, every one of us is going down. We're all going down together. Find her. Find Funanya. What is this? Simple. Just a simple task.
Oh no, I came to you privately because I trust the fact that you're a man of wisdom and authority. I want us to move quickly, you know. I want us to commence on the burial rite of the late king so that we can get this coronation done with. You know, Prince Ikechukwu needs to be crowned the king so that he can bring the stability of the kingdom and all that benefits accrue to it.
Your Majesty, I understand your desire to have these ceremonies concluded. But also I'll need you to understand that our customs are sacred. The rites must be done properly, step by step. Otherwise we'll stand the chance of incurring a great curse upon this land.
I understand the importance of tradition in all this. But is there no way we can expedite action? Perhaps crown him the king even before the final completing of the burial rites of the late king, Ikechukwu needs to have that throne, to have the power to govern. Because the people, they need their king. Delay is dangerous. We can't delay any further.
Your Majesty, the consequences of what you are asking for can be very severe. This is the way of our ancestors. Breaking it will bring a great calamity upon this land.
I see. I know what you're talking about. But I know it can be done in weeks, right? Sure, the whole thing will come to fruition, so that we can get this whole thing done. We can't delay any further. I'm of the opinion that let's wait, because the prince is ready and the kingdom is waiting as well. Because we can't keep them in the dark for a long time. They need to have a king. They need to have a king to govern them. They are like,
Oh, wait, Your Majesty. Oh, wait.
I'll be on my way now.
Yes,
Hey.
I'll agree to your terms. As long as no life was taken, you will be pardoned. But know this for now. If I find out otherwise, the consequences will be dire.
I had no blood in my hands. My desperation and ambition drove me into things I'm not proud of. But I swear to you, I have no path in Dr. Chisholm's death.
Alright then. What's this secret you're hiding? What's that thing you believe will get me the throne?
The real reason behind the king's death.
The king's death? My father's death. My father died of natural causes.
Your father did not die of natural causes. Your father was poisoned.
Poison? Poison? Poisoned by who? You?
No. The queen planned it all.
The queen? And why would the queen want my father dead?
Because she was working under the instruction of Dr. Ezubi.
Dr. Ezubi? That's insane. I don't believe this. Dr. Ezubi is my father's longtime friend and personal doctor.
That is the only thing you know about him. But what you don't know is that he is also the biological father of Ikechukwu.
What?
Surprised? The funny thing is that Ikechukwu is not aware that Dr. Ezubi is his biological father.
Do you believe this? Do you believe this?
Your claims are very serious. You are telling me that Prince Ikechukwu is not the late king's biological son? And then he has a hand in the late king's death?
Yes. Funaya confirmed it. She's been working closely with them. And then she wanted to be queen. They said no. They planned to kill her, so she fled. Now feeling used and betrayed, she has vowed to expose everything and everyone.
This is unimaginable. This is serious. I've always known Queen Adako to be ambitious. But this and Prince Ikechukwu. I remember that the Ezobi ancestry have had a claim to the throne, but that was 4 generations ago, until their forefathers committed a grievous sacrilege. Their royalty was stripped from them. Then a decree was passed that nobody from that lineage would ever ascend the throne again. I never imagined that anybody from that family would want dare challenge the ancient decree, let alone plant their son as king in the kingdom.
Well, sadly, that's exactly what Queen Adako is doing. She's manipulating everything and everyone, all to install Prince Ikechukwu as king. But she underestimated Funanya's desperation to survive.
If this is true, then they are not only committing a treason, they are committing a crime against our history, against our custom, even against the gods.
Thank you.
This is a direct affront to the divine order. I must investigate into this matter. I owe it to the kingdom, to our ancestors, to investigate, to find out if what you're saying holds truth.
Thank you.
But my prince, we have to tread very carefully. This is no longer an ordinary matter.
Yes, I agree with you. I know. The palace has been compromised. Yes. So we must work with people you trust. People who can be trusted. People who are beyond corruption. Yes, we must not allow the secret to leak before we confront them.
I swear to you, your highness, I will handle this with utmost care and discretion. If this truth is uncovered, then justice will be served. And I will not keep quiet. I will not rest until we have answers.
Thank you, Ono. Exactly what I want to hear. Yes, I have so much confidence in you. Your wisdom and dedication means so much to me at this point.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Where are the others? God! Were the others here today?
Humble apologies, Your Highness. I've not seen the others here today.
What is going on?
You're not taking my calls. None of them is taking my calls. What is going on?
Even no, he's not picking my calls either.
What is happening? This doesn't feel right at all. What is going on?
Mom, when I'm finally crowned the king, I will strip them all of their titles. All of them. How dare they disrespect me? How dare they? I will remove the power of king making from Unowu and his entire family. I will do that and give it to a family that is loyal. Real loyalty to me and the throne. Rubbish! Rubbish!
Can you calm down?
Mom, I smell conspiracy.
This doesn't feel right. This doesn't seem right at all. No. I need to let me go.
Upside down, upside down. The devil has stolen.
Who is that mad dog?
This is Inspector Ifeanyi of the State CID. You need to open the door now.
On this ungodly hour of the night. What is it? Who is that?
This is Inspector Ifeanyi of the State CID. Need you to open this door now, Your Majesty.
Just look at you. Look at both of you. Reduced to nothing. You brought so much havoc upon a promising kingdom. Why? Huh?
I said move. Go and join your partner.
Yeah.
Will you sit down? Have your seat.
What were you thinking? You brought so much havoc upon a promising kingdom. All for what? Your quest for power. You thought you could manipulate everything and control everybody. See where you are now. I promise you, you will pay for your atrocities. 3 of you.
Please, please. We are sorry for everything we did in this kingdom, and we have changed. We promise to toe the path of righteousness. Going forward, we swear to your allegiance and to your throne. Please give us a second chance, please.
Yes. We promise to change. I mean, we'll begin to do things right. Please. We have changed. We have changed after all. Please, let us serve under you. Please.
You cannot serve under me. That will never happen. People like you do not serve under me. The kingdom is better off without people like you walking freely. You have proven that you only care about yourselves and your ambition. Take them away.
Well, move!
But you are royalty, so you cannot
You are not royalty. Shut up! You are not royalty. You are imposters, 2 of you. And that's one of the many crimes you will answer for. Move them away.
Move! Get up! Move! Move!
The devil has stolen his heart. Obichara Yamiri, on your job. You have turned the palace upside down, upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace.
The prince wanted you to have this.
He asked me to leave this place. That I should go far away from this place. That seeing me brings him sad memories. Amara, thank you so much. Thank you for everything you have done to ensure that I got his pardon. I mean, I never imagined that you will be kind to me like this. You will help me after everything I did to you. Thank you.
You're welcome. And you're really lucky to have this chance. I hope it makes you happy.
Honestly, I regret my choices. I regret everything. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I would have done things differently. Please, Amara, take care of the prince. He deserves someone by his side who truly cares for him. He's a good man.
Yeah, I will. I promise. And take care of yourself too, out there.
I will. Just look at you. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you too.
Soon, I will be addressing this kingdom as a new king.
It is a monumental moment, my prince. And I am certain that you will bring honor to your lineage and then prosperity to the kingdom.
Of course, I will do just that.
But my prince, you know you have to be married to be crowned king.
Oh, no, I have that in mind already.
Oh,
yes,
I trust you.
I have plans.
I trust you.
God. God.
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, Honorable.
My prince, my prince.
Your Highness. Oh no, greetings.
I sent for you because I want to speak to you. Please come.
Mm-hmm.
You have made so much impact in my life. Not just my life. This entire kingdom. Nothing will make me happier and more fulfilled as a man than to make you my wife. Will you marry me?
I'll be honored to be your wife, my prince.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Pain and sorrow has taken